Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we have on our hands. We're dealing with a hexagon blur here, and our goal is to clean up the code by implementing different methods within a hexagon class. The current challenge lies in calculating the radius values based on the hexagon's center in angle. We tried a method involving trigonometry, but haven't quite hit the mark yet. The visuals we're getting don't quite match up, so there's definitely some fine-tuning needed. Now, let's talk about the solution to our problem. As it turns out, we can simplify our approach by sticking to core Python functions. We don't actually need NumPy for the geometric computations we're working on. By using the math module and its trigonometric functions like sine, cosine, and radians, we can streamline our code and make it more straightforward. Remember, keeping things simple often leads to more clarity and better results. In summary, we've explored a problem with calculating radius values for a hexagon blur and found a solution that emphasizes using core Python functions for geometric computations. By focusing on the math module's capabilities, we can streamline our code and improve accuracy. And with that, it's time to wrap up this video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or any questions. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy coding!